As an R&D engineer, I've been thinking how exciting it must be for customers rushing to buy our products as soon as they come out. So we insist on providing customers products that are powerful, reliable, and easy to use. To make the products even better, we have improved the design and modified the code over and over again, often working until midnight. Finally, we created the VX series. After using our products, customers express their praises. This is the greatest recognition for us. Every day, I work conscientiously on the production line. I carefully check each piece of equipment, product, and part. I don't know where the products will go, perhaps Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, or even the US, Britain, and France. I see the products as my kids. I only do the best for my kids. I want them to be strong and healthy. That's my responsibility. We are as busy as bees, flying here and there tirelessly. This is service. Whatever the weather, wherever the location, and no matter what time it is, when our customers need us, we will be there to help them. We take solving our customers' problems very seriously. Our happiest moment is when the system works well.
My name is Marco van der Knaap. I'm Managing Director of NovaStar in Europe. NovaStar is a manufacturer of video processing units, products which are meant for example, the LED business. Working for NovaStar is really a pleasure, because NovaStar is really an innovative company with a very clever R&D development team. So when clients contacted us for a special request, we are very happy to help them, and very fast as well.
Since the very beginning of the establishment of NovaStar, we have made great efforts to promote the LED industry through our technology and to create a better life for people. In 10 or 20 years, when we look back on today, we hope we will be proud of the value we have created for our customers, for the industry, and for society.